Ever found yourself grappling with managing quotations in your business? Quotations are integral in any business, acting as the first step in setting the stage for successful sales. They provide structure and order to the prices we propose to our clients. The quotations feature in your ERP system is a powerful tool for generating these estimates, be it sales quotes or purchase quotes, helping you propose specific conditions to suppliers or clients alike. Let's explore how you can easily navigate this feature to your advantage. Getting started with quotations is pretty straightforward. On your ERP Engonus interface, locate the left side menu and find the Quotation tab. Expand it and voila, you have two options. You can either view a list of existing quotations or add a new one. The list option brings up all quotes you've made before, neatly organized in the main view. Now that you know how to access this feature, let's delve into how to create a new quote. Creating a new quote is a breeze with our user-friendly interface. Let's walk through the process together. The first field to fill out is the salesperson assigned to this client. Next, select the product supplier. If there are multiple suppliers, you have the option to create an internal supplier, which is essentially your own company. Then, select the product, which should already be created and have sufficient stock. Now, onto the tax type, an essential field to fill out. You can also attach an associated document or photo, apply discounts, and add transportation costs. The status field is of significant importance. It reflects the current state of your quote, whether it's been sent, accepted, or not accepted. Feel free to create custom statuses that align with your business processes. You have now created a quote. Let's see what you can do next. Managing your quotes is just as easy as creating them. Once you've completed a quote, it moves to the main view. Here you'll find a plethora of ways to organize and manage your quotes. You can filter them based on various parameters, or choose to edit them if needed. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of the options available in the right side menu of each transaction. Here, you have the power to link your quote to a purchase quote or a sales quote, providing a seamless connection between different aspects of your business operations. But that's not all. You can also transform your quote into a purchase or sales invoice with just a click. This feature comes in handy once your quote has been accepted, saving you the time and effort of creating a purchase or sale manually. With the quotations feature, managing your business's estimates has never been easier. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into accessing the quotations feature in Engonus, creating a new quote, and effectively managing these quotations. Each step is designed to streamline your business processes. With these steps, you are now primed to effectively manage your quotations using our ERP system, Engonus.